Zoom out pictures on Instagram when posting multiple. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to your Instagram application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now after logging into your account, you can see the option of plus icon over here at the bottom. Just tap on that. So here you'll be able to post the picture, so you can just select pictures over here. So I'm just gonna scroll and find the pictures for me. So if I'm gonna tap on this picture right over here, so here you can see the aspect ratio. So if you have to zoom out the pictures on Instagram when posting multiple pictures, then make sure that the first picture that you choose is of a certain and specific aspect ratio that you want for your Instagram. So if you tap on this icon over here at the left corner, then you'll be able to zoom in, and because I don't want this aspect ratio, so I'm going to zoom out again. So when you create an aspect of this picture, then you'll be able to continue the same process and same aspect for the following pictures as well. Now to select the multiple pictures, tap on select multiple option. Then you'll be able to select different other pictures as well, and this will be in the same ratio as you had chosen for the first one. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.